Hey yo, Sono YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. Today we got a VGR V063. You know, it's really a good trimmer. You can use it cord or cordless, and it got a 1400 milliamp lithium battery. I ordered a gold one. I guess they mark it here, gold, and you can use it can be charged for 2 hours time and 180 minutes operating time, which is very good. So it's somehow it's the same family of Kemi 1973, so let's open it up.
What up, jobless? Joe, the remix, and the fashion. Joe, they call me Touch.
So let's keep charging cable, 4 guards, and a little brush. The manual. This is the trimmer. It looks beautiful. It's came in 1973 family, but the newer version came in 1973 got their own version, and it's called came in 1973A. But it was expensive, so I didn't buy it. I was waiting when it's a little bit cheaper, and now I couldn't find it to buy anymore, so I wanted to use the Kemi 1973A to compare with this one, but now I couldn't find it. Now I have to do the unboxing of this one. This is VGR. I was testing it already. That's why there is a hair on it, and I was zero gapping it, and it got the same everything like Kemi 1973. It's not a USB charging, see that? So this side, nothing, and here got a VGR logo on the blade, which is very, very good, and I keep saying it. I love it when there is a logo on the blade. Another thing, there is nothing here, This one is really, really smooth. This is the only disadvantage of this VGR. It's okay, somehow a little bit on the hand, and the blade is the same shape like Kemi 1973, but the blade is a little bit sharper. This one is a little bit sharper. I zero gapped it so you can see. So let's turn it on. As you can hear, it's a little bit powerful more than, as you can hear, it's a little bit more powerful than Kemi 1973. But Kemi 1973 is old version. These are the new version, and it got LCD display, which is very, very good. So once again, the blade that comes with it, the stock blade, it can be zero gap, which is very, very good, just like Kemi 1973. No difference. The difference between this one and Kemi 1973, LCD display. The speed, I guess the speed of this one is more faster than Kemi 1973. And the back, oh well, this is Kemi 1973, as you can see. I got a war blade on it. That's why the blade is a little bit different, you know. And the charging, the back is a little bit different. You see that? You know. You hear that? So this one is also the family of Kemi 1973. You know, this is Kemi 1948, and this is a Kemi 1949 new version. It's already old one, but the Kemi 1949 doesn't have LCD display, but this one got, you know. So this one still got the same blade, you know, but I changed the cutting blade. The cutting blade is a little bit different. See that? So these three, they are somehow the same. Just this one is a little bit slower, you know, it's not fast enough like these two. You can hear. You hear that? This one, you know, the on and off switch is much more better than the one of Kemi 1973 and this VGR, you know. It's the one of VGR and Kemi 1973 is a little bit shaky, you know. It's shaky, you see that? But this one sit fast, very, very strong. It's not shaking. Oh, just want to open it up for you guys, just for you to see, you know, and you can zero gap it, so it's possible. So what I did, when I got the package, you know, I just open it up and I just modify the blade with my 1-minute blade modifier. But if you got the stone, just scrub it, you know, that's it. And you can zero gap it a little bit as you want, just as you want. But I like it like this, you know. This is my type of zero gap, and this is what I like. And it's sharp, really sharp. So you don't need to buy extra blade. So that means the newer model, the newer version of this VGR or Kemi 1973A are more better now. Just this one, the back, I don't like. That's the only disadvantage. You know, other people might like it, but me, I don't like it. You know, so okay. So what else? Peace, man.